Okay friends, PCcareman speaking here. Call me on blog TV, PCcareman, if you need computer help. And we will try and help you as best we can. We'll not bullshit you, we'll give you the best computer help you can get. Okay, today I want to talk about Linux. Ubuntu Linux, okay? I use a QuickCam Pro 9000, and from what I see by doing computer research, I have noticed that a lot of guys are having problems broadcasting or using a QuickCam Pro 9000 webcam on Linux. Well, today is your lucky day, because PCcareman has found the right program for you, and it's called Webcam Studio. Now, I am using a logical QuickCam Pro 9000 cam, okay, on Ubuntu Linux. So I'm going to go to the desktop and show you the program. Now, here you will see it is Webcam Studio for GNU Linux, okay, built 744. And as you can see, PCcareman here on the cam. Now, go to Google and type in Webcam Studio, or you can go to YouTube videos. There is a couple of videos on YouTube. And basically, to start the application, you go to your applications folder on Ubuntu Linux. If you go to sound and video after you install the program, you'll see here Webcam Studio. Well, basically you plug in your webcam, you click on Webcam Studio, and it'll start up. Then you would go to sources and you select your webcam. Then you would get a small box that loads up, and you click start, and you'll see your webcam starting up. Now, one important thing you must do is also on Ubuntu Linux is go to your sound, which is sitting up here at the top right hand corner. Right click and go to sound preferences. Now, when you go to hardware, it'll be sitting on the internal audio, output 1, input, okay? Go down to the next one here for your QuickCam Pro 9000, 1 input, and click this box. Also go to input, and it will be set here by default, so set it to your QuickCam Pro analog mono, okay, for your sound. This is for your microphone to work, okay? Leave this as default the way it is. Applications will automatically pick up if you're using Firefox, so don't worry too much about that. Now, you can turn your microphone sound up or down, and you'll notice when I'm speaking the input level is moving up and down here. Testing 1, 2, you see what I mean? Okay. Now, to play with the program itself, if you go to source, you've got desktop, which means you can show your desktop, okay? You've got DB, image, free text, if you want to put in a text. IRC, animation, movie, even YouTube, movie stream, or movie viewer, playlist, or widget, okay? On the output, you have a video recorder built in, which basically is quite handy if you're doing a small video and you want to record a video for yourself. Now, I use this on blog TV, okay, PCcareman on blog TV. You've got a video recorder. If you click the video recorder, you can actually record, or you can take a snapshot. You can also use MFE broadcaster or broadcaster. Now, blog TV does have an FME file where you can save it to your desktop or your documents on Linux, and basically you can broadcast on high definition, okay? Output size, I just leave it at 320. Quality, I have mine set at high. It does come set normal by default. Okay, and I just have it 15 frames per second, whatever it is, okay. I was just to show you a couple of settings, okay. Now, combination creator, or you can have wide desktop view, okay, which basically brings it. Now, you also have an effects button here if you want to have a bit of fun with your friends, okay. So, to show you the effects, I have to go back to the cam itself. But before I do that, I would like to mention one thing about Ubuntu Linux. I do test a number of Linux just rolls out. I have tested Mint 6, Mint 7, Mint 8, OpenSUSE 11, Fedora, and so on. So I do test Linux out. I love playing with Linux, okay. Linux is free. Now, you can make a donation to Ubuntu if you wish to support them, because these guys are doing a wonderful thing. Now, I will talk about Linux later on down to do with security and etc. And I also will do a video to show you how to install it. It's quite easy. Now, the beauty about Linux, you can use it from a live CD, basically boot from a live CD and use it as a live CD. If you have an old hard drive or an old computer and you wish to install it on the hard drive, I will show you later on. Okay, so let me close this to show you a couple of other things here. But first I'll show you these. Now, Linux Ubuntu comes with an applications folder here. And these are your accessories, okay. Now, I do use an antivirus program on Linux and on a Mac computer and on Windows, okay. I use Avast, which is free for Linux. You've got a calculator, you have a CD creator, character map, disk user analyzer, basically analyzes your disk to tell you what files is on which. That's my cockatiels friends in the background. Okay, so we'll go through all these here later, but just to give you an idea what Linux offers for free. Now, they do have a power pack with extra software you can buy if you wish. Okay, even take a screenshot, like, you know, these here, even though you're not, they're not applications. Now, Firestarter is a firewall for Linux, okay? So it doesn't matter to me what program you use, what operating system you use, okay? Because every operating system can be secured if you're showed how to do it, especially when I show you how to do it, okay? Skype, Wireshark, I'll talk about later on. Wireshark is basically an analyzer program for checking network traffic analyzer, okay? It's a very good program to use, and you can use it on Windows. Okay, so just to give you a rough idea what sort of stuff you would get on, okay, Ubuntu lets you choose from thousands of free applications. So it's a free, you know, if you have an old computer, the like of the same one that I have here, and there's an 80 gig hard drive on it, and it's not going to run Windows 7 or Windows Vista, and you want to change from XP, put Linux on it, because it will run pretty good. Okay, so let me close this down and show you a couple of facts here. Now, if you go to the bottom here of this screen of mine, and it'll say facts. If I click this one, you'll see it coming up with loads of different wee boxes with me in it. Okay, so this is basically webcam studio to broadcast on blog TV using Ubuntu Linux. And thank you for listening in from PC Careman.